Hello guys. We all know that German car brands are among the best. Germany is known for producing some of the world's most iconic and innovative car brands. The most well-known German car brands are Mercedes-Benz, BMW, Audi, Porsche, Volkswagen. These car brands have all contributed significantly to the development of the automotive industry and continue to be leaders in innovation and design. Audi is one of the best-selling luxury automobile manufacturers in the world. However, the origins of the German brand are complex and colorful, to say the least. Behind the name of every car company, there's a story. Sometimes it's as simple as the name of the family who founded it, Bentley, for example. Sometimes it's an acronym for a phrase people don't seem to remember. The story behind Audi, however, is that little bit more interesting. Audi was founded in 1910 by young engineer August Horch. It was his second attempt to start his own business. The first company, Horch & Co., was established back in 1899. However, in 1909, he was forced to leave Horch & Co. by court order. The reason was a disagreement with his creditors. August Horch was a German engineer and entrepreneur who is best known for founding the Audi automobile company. He was born on October 12, 1868, in Winningen, Germany, and grew up in a family of wine growers. Despite his family's expectations that he would take over the family business, Horch was more interested in engineering. Horch studied engineering in Cologne and then worked for several years in the automotive industry, including at Carl Benz's company in Mannheim. In 1899, he founded his first automobile company, Horch & C., in Cologne. The company produced high-quality cars that were popular with the German aristocracy. In 1909, Horch left his first company and founded a new one. Horch's new company, founded in the town of Chemnitz, initially bore his name in the same way as the previous one. When the city authorities learned of this, the court gave the new company a different name, Audi. Some sources claim that it was invented by one of Horch's business partners. He simply suggested using the same word, Horch, which means listen in German, but in the Latin version, Audi. The Audi logo represents 4 silver rings. They symbolize the association of 4 companies, DKW, Audi, Horch and Wanderer, in the automobile concern Auto Union, which took place in 1932. Initially, the Audi logo was installed only on cars designed for racing, and production models showed badges, specially made plates. The Audi A was the firstborn of the new company. It came out in 1910. The next was the Audi B. This model participated in races in Austria. The track had a length of 2.5 thousand kilometers and passed in the Alps. In 1912, the Audi C showed itself in Austrian Alpenfahrt, as Austrian races were called. This model later received the name Alpensieger, which means conqueror of Alps. Financial problems began in the 1920s. First it merged with another one, then both of them became the property of Jürgen Skaft Rasmussen. The same problems forced small manufacturers to create the concern Auto Union in 1932. However, he had not been producing by this time, since 1916. The concern produced 2 front-wheel drive models, equipped with Wanderer engines. They were in demand and sold well until the war broke out. Auto Union was nationalized at the end of the war. A major reform took place in 1949, when Mercedes-Benz took over the main rights of Auto Union. Then the controlling stake moved from one company to another several times. Audi brand disappeared for several years. The Audi name reappeared only in 1965, when Volkswagen took possession of the shares. The 4 circles assigned to Audi since the merger of the 4 companies, 1932, are painted on the hoods of all models of this car. By 1968, Audi was on the markets in a wide range. Its sales have been steadily increasing. As a daughter of the famous Volkswagen, Audi became world famous largely due to the model Audi Quattro. This car had a sporty appearance and all-wheel drive. It was notable for lightness, speed and amazing stability. Few people could compete with the Quattro, as evidenced by the results of several car races. Since 1958, the company is called Audi AG. German automobile company is part of the Volkswagen Group, one of the most powerful concerns in the world. Production of cars is increasing from year to year. Since the 10th year of our century, it has exceeded 1 million units. Audi's model lineup is very extensive. It is represented by executive class cars, racing cars, supercars and crossovers. With excellent performance characteristics, Audi is very popular. It should be noted that not only new cars are in demand, the sale of the model on the secondary car markets is excellent as well. The company's history remembers the introduction of all-wheel drive vehicles into series production. Later the Quattro concept was offered with other flagships of Audi. On the basis of this car was given the start of the Audi Coupe Sport Class Coupe, which appeared in 1993. Later, it was decided to use the original body, which would complement the lineup. This vehicle remained one of the best of its kind for a long time, until it was withdrawn from sales in 2000. Overall, the total number of units produced was 72,000. One of the models that the history of the brand remembered was the Audi 100. Its feature was the use of a 6-cylinder V-type engine. This unit is considered the lightest among the model lineup. And here Audi A4 saw its buyers in 1994. In the same year, the company created the RS2 Avant, 5-seater car. Audi was the first company to conduct crash tests since 1938. Audi was the first automobile manufacturer to create its own virtual world on PlayStation Home. Visitors are offered tours of the virtual Audi space and an opportunity to take part in a vertical run race. Audi has won the prestigious Le Mans 24 race 3 times in a row, in 2000, 2001 and 2002. To celebrate this tremendous success, the Audi Le Mans Quattro sports concept car was unveiled in Frankfurt in 2003. The Audi 80 is one of the most mass-produced cars of the 20th century. The total volume of produced cars is more than 4 million copies. The model was produced for 30 years, from 1966 to 1996. The Audi Quattro is the company's first rally car. Thanks to innovations in the rules which allowed the use of all-wheel drive cars in competitions, the Quattro was able to participate in races. The car won 2 competitions in a row. Development of the famous Audi TT began in September 1994 in California. The first concept car was shown at the Frankfurt Motor Show in 1995. The next modification of the model, the Audi TT Coupe, the developers showed to the visitors of the Tokyo Motor Show in 2005. The new TT was much lighter than its predecessor thanks to the use of a combination of aluminum and steel materials. The company began producing Audi Q7 crossover in 2005. Critics saw the first copy at the Frankfurt Motor Show. The model, created on E-platform, is based on the concept Audi Pikes Peak Quattro of 2003. The Audi A3 is a family-class hatchback. In 1996 to 2003 the first generation was produced, from 2003 to 2012, the second generation. More recently, the third generation of the compact car, which quickly became popular in European countries. Audi A3 has many different awards. Today, Audi is one of the world's leading automotive brands, with a focus on advanced technology, luxury, and performance. The company has continued to innovate in areas such as electric and hybrid technology, and its cars are known for their sleek design and advanced features. In recent years, Audi has also become more focused on sustainability, with a commitment to reducing its environmental impact and transitioning to more sustainable production methods. As the automotive industry continues to evolve, Audi remains at the forefront of innovation and design, building on the legacy of August Horch and his commitment to engineering excellence. That's it for today. If you enjoyed the story, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video.